Welcome to KMZ Cooks. Today we are making honey roasted vegetables from a slow cooker. I wasn't too sure about this recipe because it's a slow cooker recipe, and every time I use the slow cooker, I hate what comes out of it. But this one came out okay, even though it doesn't look too appetizing, it's actually really good. So we need 4 medium-sized carrots peeled and chopped, 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes peeled and halved, 1 medium-sized onion halved, 8 red potatoes unpeeled and halved, half a teaspoon pepper, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of thyme, 2 tablespoons of water. Now everything goes in the slow cooker pot as follows. First the carrots, then the onions, red potatoes, then the sweet potatoes. Then top with the spices whisked with the 2 tablespoons of water. Set your slow cooker to its low setting for 6 hours. Before the veggies are done, mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 2 teaspoons lemon juice. This will be tossed with the veggies later. When the veggies are done, remove from heat and mix in the honey mixture. This came out okay, not completely done, so I ended up putting it on a sheet pan and baked it in the oven for 20 minutes on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This made it so much better. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. This will help to get my videos out there. God bless you and your food.